Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are basically learning the NLP part. And at first, we learn that what is NLP. NLP stands for Natural Language Processing. It is a branch of artificial intelligence that gives us the ability to machine the understand and process human languages. And human languages can be in the form of text or audio format. And in real life, what are the applications of NLP? So the most promising and most advanced applications are text and speech processing like voice assistants, Alexa, Siri, etc., and text classification like Grammarly, Microsoft Word, and Google Docs, and information extraction like search engines like DuckDuckGo or Google, and chatbot. This is a very unique and I mean the very innovative assistant for us, that is chatbot and question answering like website bots. So and language translation like Google Translate and text summarization. So these are the applications of NLP, and many more applications are there. And in NLP basically, in NLP we use the in some toolkit to extract data from the text or audio file. So that same kind of toolkit is NLTK. So, what is the natural language toolkit? That is NLTK. So, NLTK is a Python's API library for performing an array of tasks in human language. It can perform a variety of operations on textual data, such as classification, tokenization, stemming, tagging, lip parsing, semantic reasoning, and many more things. So we now we will also see the the applications of NLTK in real life. So at first we install it by via pip installing NLTK, and then we import NLTK, and NLTK.download. Everything will be downloaded, and we basically call the API call here, and after that we basically tokenize our we use the term here tokenize in NLP. What is tokenization? So tokenization refers to break down the text into smaller units. It entails splitting paragraphs into sentences and sentences into words. So it is one of the initial steps of any NLP pipeline. Let us have a look at the two major kinds of tokenization that NLTK provides. That is word tokenization and sentence tokenization. So word tokenization, what it is? So it basically involves breaking down the text into words. That is, I study machine learning will be word tokenized as I study machine and learning. And sentence tokenization, it basically involves breaking down the text into individual sentences. That is, I study machine learning. Currently, I'm studying NLP. So, will be sentence tokenized as I study machine learning as a sentence, and then after that, currently, I am studying NLP. So, sentence tokenization is that, and basically we basically use the tokenization to breaking the sentence or breaking the words. So here tokenization, we basically use the tokenization that is from NLTK. We basically import NLTK library has word tokenization library. So NLTK library has everything. So NLTK library, from NLTK library we basically import the word tokenize and sentence tokenize, and we basically give a simple sentence, that is SRF is a great learning platform, and it is one of the best computer science for computer science students. So after that we basically print out the word tokenization and sentence tokenization, and we basically uh, it basically gives us the output that is here in your screen, that SRF in word tokenization. SRF is a great learning platform. It is basically it basically chunk the sentence into words, and sentence tokenization, after we saw that sentence tokenization means it basically tokenize the sentence. After that, the most important part, most important, and basically it is basically word tokenization, and the after that the stemming and lematization. This process is basically called the pre-processing of any kind of text. So second pre-processing technique is stemming and lemmatization. So when working with natural language, we are not much interested in the form of words. Rather than we are concerned with the meaning with that the words intended to convey. Thus, we try to map every word of the language to its root or base form. So this process is called the basically this process is called the canonization. Example: the words play, plays, played, and playing convey the same action, and hence we can map them all to their base form, that is play. And we basically stemming also, we basically import it from the NLTK library, nltk.stem, and port a stemmer we import. And after that we create a class object, or object a class that is port a stemmer, and we basically assign the object into that, and we print it. So every printing we get the output that play, only play, and playing. Basically it gives us the play, playing, plays, played. It basically gives us the root word, that is play there. And if and one more thing, that is one more example, that is communication. If we give the communication in stemming, that basically gives us commune. So in stemming, that is in stemming it gives us the root word, but it doesn't guarantee that the root word has a meaning. And this is I mean, this is for text pre-processing technique. This is a text pre-processing, and another pre-processing technique is lemmatization. So lemmatization has everything that is in stemming. Rather than lemmatization ensures that the root word has a meaning. So here, if we give the stemming communication, so it basically gives us communication. I mean, the root word has a meaning. So basically we see here, this is the basically this is the difference between lemmatization and stemming. So in this video tutorial we discuss about a lot in NLP. So yeah, thank you guys.